living on board a boat means that we need to save space as much as we can. Here's a really fast version of how I fold my bags, then I'll show you again slower. First of all, make sure that the bag is nice and flat and the handles are tucked inside each other. Then fold 1/3 of the bag towards the top, smoothing out any air. Fold it again to the top and press the air out again. Fold 1/3 of the bag inwards and the same on the other side to make a square. Then fold the bottom corner up to make a triangle and the same on the other side. Then you can pick it up and use the handles to flip over and secure it in place. Voila! Here's another version. This one works well for bags that don't have handles. Again, make sure that the bag is nice and flat. The handles are tucked inside each other, if it has handles. Fold the bag in half. Smooth out any air. Fold it in half again. Smooth out any air. Pull one corner up to make a triangle. Then flip that triangle up. And then flip it again. And just keep flipping that triangle up. Smoothing out any air as you go along. Now at this stage I stop and I just tuck that last little corner up the other way. Fold the handles in, and then you'll see on the inside of the other triangle there is a little pocket. Just fold that on the inside there. And there you have it, a nice neat triangle. Thanks for watching. I hope this was easy to follow.